Hey friends, it's me Techie Prithu. Welcome back in another video. This will be the DIY tech video in which I will be converting this old earphones with the help of this and this to an wireless earphones. So watch till end. So without wasting time, let's get started. First of all, the things need to make an wireless earphone are an hairband earphones, audio receiver which I have bought from AliExpress, and the buying links will be in the description below, and a sellotape. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. Make sure that your earphones are tangle free in straight direction, and first thing we'll need to make that connect the audio and the splitter to the mid of the hairband and stick it with the sellotape. So I'll make and show you. You should have to stick in this way so it will be more durable and easy to use. So let's get into the further process. After sticking this, you will have to make like this way. So after binding this, you will have to connect the audio receiver with this and stick it here so it will not look any and you will need to stick this with sellotape to make sure you do not cover the volume up and down buttons, so it will be a problem to you while switching the audio and controlling the audio. So make sure. And the wireless earphones are now ready. You can now just wear and hear the music. You can also make wireless headphone, and you'll need an headphone which has an connection to aux cable and the audio receiver which I have showed. The simple process to connect this is simply connecting this, and yeah, your wireless headphones are now ready. You can now wear and enjoy the music. So thank you. So friends, now you can connect this earphones with Bluetooth and enjoy the music. And to hide this bulky design, you can cover with any paper and color it. So that's your choice, and the music is also working fine, so that's good. Hope you like the video. Do like, share, subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye.